Welcome guys, in front of me I have video recorder, the Xblitz ParkView Ultra, and I'm going to show you how we can reset the settings on this device. So at the first we have to go for the menu, then click it one more time to get the more option. Here we have the reset setup, so let's scroll down, click OK, and click it one more time to confirm this process. And as you can see right now, our settings are reset, so we can, for example, enter here and change the language from the Polish to English or any other that you want to use. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.